We talk a lot about spring cleaning, clearing out the garage, decluttering your closet, but how about your fridge? Nutritionist Krysta Sauvie is here now from Medical Weight Loss Clinic to tell us why freshening up our eating habits is so important this spring. Krysta, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me. Good morning.
So when you say spring cleaning of the pantry or the fridge, what are we talking about? Are we talking about throwing out old and expired food, or does it go a little deeper than that?
I think a little bit deeper. Yeah, get rid of all that old and expired stuff, but also take this opportunity to get rid of anything that really causes you temptation. Those really convenient junk foods, the ones that we walk right by. You know, we think that one cookie's not going to make a big difference, but when you walk by that cookie 5 times,
right.
Big difference. So take this opportunity, get rid of anything that really tempts you. That there's some truth to out of sight, out of mind.
Absolutely. And now if you're tossing the chips and the sweets that we all crave, what are some healthy alternatives to replace them?
Yes. Eating healthy does not have to be boring. I like to tell all of my patients, instead of thinking about what you can't have, try to think about a healthy way to have it. A couple of my favorite examples are tacos. Everybody loves tacos. It's a family favorite. Maybe the fried shell with the sour cream and cheese isn't the best way to do it, but there are some low-carb wraps on the market that are delicious. We like to use Greek yogurt in my house as a sour cream substitute with taco seasoning sprinkled into it. Another one of my really favorite recommendations is, with the summertime right around the corner, replace your ice cream with low-fat frozen yogurt.
Those are great, easy suggestions, yeah.
Yeah, super easy swap outs. There's so much on the market these days.
And I know you're a big fan of local farmers markets and eating in season. What are some things that people should be on the lookout for at farmers markets that are in season right now that they could put in their fridge to kind of start this process?
Really, anything at a farmer's market is going to be in season. And the benefits to eating foods in season is the flavor is there, and they're more nutritious because they're being picked at the ripest time. They don't go through that process and preservation. So really, go to any farmer's market. You're going to get great nutritious foods, and it tends to cost a little bit less too. So again, this is a great opportunity to start making some of those healthy changes in our lives.
I also always notice that your plate looks a little bit more colorful when you shop in season, right? And that always feels better to put kind of colorful foods in our bodies.
It's exciting.
You know, lifestyle changes, they can be really daunting. Do you have any tips for how to start that process? Because it can be overwhelming for people, especially maybe those who haven't done it before.
Well, I think take it step by step. Start with one goal that you have in mind that you want to change about your life. Master that goal and then move on to something else. I think where people really fall off is they say, I'm going to eat all whole foods and I'm going to work out 5 days a week and I'm going to drink a gallon of water. And the minute they fail one of those aspects, they just throw in the towel.
Right.
Because you set all these really high expectations. So just take it step by step. Really small goals make a huge difference. And then you find that you're really proud of yourself and you want to do more. So pick something small that can make a really big impact on you.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a good point. Now, we mentioned going to the farmer's market, and that's a good way to buy healthy foods and save a little bit of money. A lot of healthy foods or perceived healthy foods at the store, organic, they tend to cost a little bit more. Do you have any cost-effective ways that people can fill their fridge with the right stuff?
I hate to say it again, but shop in season. Right now, a lot of foods are in season. So even if you go to the grocery store, the non-organic foods are still going to be in season. They aren't going to be coming from halfway across the world. They're going to be a little bit nutritious, a little bit less expensive. But if you live near a farmer's market, you've got great access there. Or if you're really ambitious, you can start your own garden.
Absolutely, yeah.
Really ambitious.
The season's right for it, and there are so many farmers markets around Metro Detroit that I'm sure all of our viewers know one that isn't too far away. And Krysta,
it's a fun family trip, too. Me and my son love going to the farmers market. It gives him an opportunity to pick out new things that he wants to try. It's a really great experience.
Absolutely, and especially as the sunshine comes out and the weather gets a little bit warmer here. Now, Krysta, before we let you go, where can people go for more information?
Well, you can go onto our website, www.mwlc.com. Give any one of our 30 clinics a call. We would be more than happy to guide you in some right direction.
Krysta Sauvie with the Medical Weight Loss Clinic. Thank you so much for those tips and for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much.